Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by collecting essentials and taking the first steps now. You power the unit and secure connectivity, then export logs and note the exact ELS error code so you can target the cause. Once done, make sure to back up the current configuration and user files. This prevents data loss while you troubleshoot. You do not need to wait for approvals, gather evidence, preserve state, and prepare the tools you'll use in the next phase. Now you diagnose precisely and execute fixes. Start by reproducing ELS in safe mode or a controlled environment to rule out external factors. This shows whether it's config, driver, or hardware related. Then inspect config files and permissions and compare timestamps to recent patches or driver updates. Make targeted changes. Roll back the last update if needed, reinstall or update drivers, and apply the specific patch that addresses the logged error. Make sure to test after each change. You finish by validating stability and preventing recurrence. Run thorough system tests and observe one full operational cycle to confirm ELS no longer appears. Once stable, restore any backed up user data and record every change you made with timestamps so the history is clear. If the error returns, gather the latest diagnostic logs and escalate to vendor or specialist support. This log-driven escalation
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.